Welcome back. Within Sabre Production, we have created a function where you can create a warehouse shipment document and have the flexibility to select which line should be included. So what we'll do is we'll jump into Business Central. So for this feature, it's a very quick and easy setup. You'll go into your Sabre Production setup, and there's a new field called Warehouse Shipment. So here, default basically means that it's just going to use the out-of-the-box functionality, which means that when you create a warehouse shipment from a sales order, it will then add for everything that's still outstanding to be shipped. If you indicate per line, then that indicates that you will manually select which lines you want to include, and it will only ask for those, or it can prompt you to ask you what you want to do. So right now I'm going to indicate the per, let's do always ask just so we can see that. And then we're going to jump into a sales order. So we will navigate to our sales orders, and I will drill into a sales order of my choice. And here I've set up the west location to require a warehouse shipment. So I've got this Alpine ski house. Maybe they're doing some work around their office, and I want to go ahead and ship just these 3 lines to the west location. Now, currently, I know based on my sales line information what I can ship to them. So I can only ship the heating element to them at this time because the chairs are not in stock yet. So I'd like to go ahead and create a warehouse shipment document, but not for all of these items, just for the heating element that I have selected. So now I'm just going to use the out-of-the-box functionality to create a warehouse shipment. So under Process, I will create a warehouse shipment. So this is where the always asks comes into play. So it's asking me, do I want to create for all lines, which is the default out-of-the-box warehouse shipment functionality, or do I want to only for the selected lines create the warehouse shipment? So again, I have the option to do either or to be asked. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I want just the selected lines. Now I didn't have to select the line previously because it will prompt me. So I'm going to again select the heating element, and of course I could select multiple, and I'm going to go ahead and say OK. So my warehouse shipment document was created. It was only created for that specific heating element, and now I can go ahead and just go through my normal warehouse process. If there are any questions or you'd like more information about Sabre Production, please use the contact information to reach out.